Subscribe to Indianomics TV and press on the bell icon so you never miss any videos.
Go! 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 Hi guys, this is Vineet. There's like 16 cars lined up here. 2 cars are meeting us from Pune. Unfortunately, a couple of cars couldn't join us, but we're just waiting to hit the road now. I think 5 more minutes and we should hit the road.
No, you can't lick this. No, you can't lick this.
So today we are going to a place which is called Anjrale Beach, and the thing that we are actually going there for is turtle hatchings. So turtle hatchings are something that I'm really excited about today, so we are with Rotary Press Club. We have about 16 cars today, which is a bigger convoy than what we had at last time at Bandardara. So I'm very much looking forward to this event. It was difficult for everybody to drive in the convoy. However, we managed to reach our first checkpoint, which is Kesher Vegetarian Restaurant for breakfast. It's around 9:30 right now, and we will be shortly leaving to our destination. So we are going right now to see the turtle hatching. I am trying to rush. There are boundaries have been made. Apparently the turtle hatching was supposed to start at 6 o'clock and it's already 6:15, 6:10, 6:10, yes. So this huge set of crowd that you see basically come here to watch the turtle hatching. So that is all of what the turtles that we wanted to see. We saw these hatchlings going into the sea. There is a lot of wind noise, so I'm not really sure if my mic is capturing all of those wind noise or not. This is the first time I'm using this Boyo lapel mic. The whole experience was a little bit surreal because we didn't see the hatchlings coming out of the sand. We only saw them being released. So when they are being released, I sometimes wonder, this is basically not so natural.